Welcome back to Colvin Plumbing. Thank you for tuning in. Today we're just going to talk about your water services and when they come in the house, just to help you understand how your house works a little bit better. So if you've received a letter from the municipality lately or wherever you live regarding wet lead water lines, or if you're just curious about what is delivering the water to your house, we're just going to do a quick scratch test today. Show you a couple different methods. I have like a wire fitting brush here. I have a standard plumbing grit cloth, and I just have a piece of sandpaper. And I have a couple different things here to show you how they show up. So there's nothing really specific about a scratch test. What you want to do is just rub with whatever you're fitting to see that the color comes up underneath. The reason why I'm doing 3 is just so you can see that no matter what material you're using, the color is going to show up underneath the same way once you have it wiped off. So you can see wire brush and a plumber's grit cloth there, and just even the sandpaper here. And it will all just reveal that it's copper underneath to different extents. There you can see it's copper. So that's how it shows up. Just you see there's old pipe and the freshly cleaned pipe underneath. So that's copper. Here we have brass. I'm just using an old brass valve. I'm just going to use some sandpaper here. And you can see that under the burnishing, that comes up just brass. Here's the copper beside it, so you can see a little bit of a difference there. That's more of a goldy color. The last one is if you have an older home, is going to be the famous lead pipe. And if you just take your sandpaper again, or whatever you're using, and you can just clean off some layers. Those just be a flat, dull gray. And that's going to be your lead there. Also, you can tell by the type of valve. Here you go. That's an old waterline valve. If you have this at the front of your house where water comes into your house, you more than likely probably have a lead line in your house. And that's it. I hope that helps if you identify your water service and what you want to do as next steps. Have a wonderful day and have a good time. Thank you. Bye.